Hi guys, here I am making videos on shocks of my life. There were lots of shocks in my life. Now being in research center into scientific field, all of a sudden I would feel, oh God, I'm getting product that I desire, and then zoop, it's all down. Final conclusion, no product. It was something else which was identical to product, and so on and so forth. Like lots of such shocks. But few shocks in our life were such. Now these are the shocks which I had to work over it and then get over it, right? And then get success. Learning lessons, those were all learning lessons. But these were the shocks were not learning lessons, but these were the shocks which were disappointing lessons. Alright, okay. Shock number one. I would be making videos on shocks. Alright, this is the first major shock that I received in my life. Alright, okay. It goes this way. It was a long time back when Abhishek, my son, was a kiddo. We used to put him in creche, as I mentioned earlier, because both of us were very busy with our schedules, so I had no other choice but to put him in creche. So I was returning back tired from research center, holding his hand, chatting with him, discussing what happened throughout the day in a creche. He enthusiastically conveying me about क्या हुआ था creche में, कैसे रहा, कैसे how things were good, how things were bad, and it was so disappointing. And Dad, why do you keep in creche, and all those, and I was trying to pacify him. Very soon I will be with you, and then देखेंगे हम लोग क्या करना है करके for your betterment. That ways सब डिस्कस करते करते बाप बेटे आ रहे थे, बिल्डिंग के पास आए. There were lots of people waiting down near the building. Alright, I am not all that very social, as I told that, because of our busy schedule. So मैं expect नहीं कर रहा था कि मेरे लिए उन लोग wait कर रहे हैं. Anyways, जैसे ही पास में आया तो why are you walking so slowly? We were all waiting for you. For me, how come? Go up and see what happened. करके मैं डर के ऊपर भाग के आया. आके क्या देखता हूँ, यही दरवाजा जो पीछे है खुला है, which was locked when I left was locked. ये दरवाजा जो पीछे है खुला हुआ है. And as I peep in the door, बेडरूम में देख रहा हूँ, बेडरूम में कबर्ड खुला है. And I was shocked. Why? Because it was just a fortnight back that we had bought some ornaments. We had got some fun from somewhere, so we thought that why not buy some ornaments, and before keeping it in locker, it was kept in our cupboard. We were to shift it to locker, but it was there in our cupboard. As soon as I saw that, I was shocked. I thought, yes, everything is gone, whatever we bought. It was hard-earned money. We never had bought gold in our life because we came through poverty, real poverty. We started our career from single room of paying guest, and then we were building up our future. और ये हुआ. This was very shocking. It was so shocking that Abhishek ran inside and saw that पूरा कबर्ड का जो सामान है बिस्तर के ऊपर है, कबर्ड पूरा खाली है. And of course we had kept, we never expected that. Of course it was stupidity on our part also. कबर्ड में ही चाबी लगा हुआ था, तो आराम से वो खोल के अंदर गया, जाके सब कुछ जो भी था वो चोरी करके ले गया. Now Abhishek, my little tiny tot, he goes inside the bedroom, sees that, and comes back. In between falls our room where there are lots of gods sitting there smiling. Instantly Abhishek comes out and says to gods, what were you doing? They took away all my mother's ornaments, and what were you doing? You were just sitting idle there. And then I told, cool. I know this has happened. It's very shocking, but cool down. Anyways, this is what happened, and the biggest thing was to now call up my wife and inform her that what all your hard-earned money ornaments are all gone. Like this. Alright. So please hold on. Would be continuing in my next video what happened next. Okay. See you then.